Hi guys, welcome to my cooking show. Today I'll be showing you how to make Pepsi chicken. Now here are the ingredients you're going to need. Oil, ketchup, Pepsi, Maggie all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, lemon pepper, jerk seasoning, thyme, chicken seasoning, Maggie garlic and herb seasoning, onion powder, a double all-purpose seasoning, ginger powder. Okay guys, now that you have seen all the ingredients, let's get into it. First, I'm going to cut my chicken in smaller pieces. Okay guys, here's my chicken. I'm cleaning the chicken. Guys, I just used some lemon and vinegar to clean my chicken. Okay guys, I'm just going to go ahead. Okay guys, and cut my chicken. This part of the video is for persons that don't know how to cut a whole chicken. If you already master how to cut a whole chicken and it's easy for you, then you can go ahead and skip this part of the video. But this is the most easy way to cut a whole chicken. Before I learned this technique to cut up my chicken, it used to be so hard for me to cut a whole chicken. But after learning to do it this way, it is simple and easy. I promise you. Follow my step-by-step method. If you want to learn how to cut a whole chicken and do it this way, like I'm doing it in the video, and I promise you, you will never go back to cutting your whole chicken the way you used to do it. You're always gonna cut it up this way. Now you're gonna take that backbone, the straight bone. You're gonna take that bone out. Then you're gonna turn your chicken on the other side. Like you're gonna flip it over. Then you're gonna cut off the thighs with the legs. You're gonna cut off the thigh with the leg, like I'm doing here. After you cut off the thigh with the leg, you can go ahead and cut the tip of your breast, like you're going halfway in the chicken. If you don't want to cut your breast like this, then you can go ahead and cut it. Straight through. When you cut it like this, when you cut it the way I'm doing it, you're gonna get 9 pieces. After you cut your breast in half, then you're gonna go ahead and cut the wings off. See how easy this is, guys? After you cut your wings off, you're gonna go back and cut the legs from the thighs, and you should get 9 pieces of chicken this way, guys. It's so easy, I promise you. If you follow my step-by-step method, you can't go wrong. This is why I included this part of the video, to show people who wants to learn how to cut a whole chicken. I hope this information is helpful to someone that is interested in learning how to cut their chicken. Okay. Guys, here I'm just cleaning my chicken. I'm cleaning and trimming all the excess fat from the chicken. I don't want all these extra fat around the chicken. Here I'm rinsing my chicken after I cut it up with vinegar. Okay guys, now we're gonna go ahead and season our chicken. Here I have Mrs. Dash garlic and herbs, lemon pepper, garlic powder, chicken seasoning, jerk seasoning, paprika, ginger powder, onion powder, a double all-purpose seasoning, Maggie chicken seasoning, oregano, thyme, and now you're going to put oil. I like to season my chicken with oil because the oil helps the season to marinate in the chicken faster. Now you're just gonna rub it in, guys. That's all that seasoning, guys. Should look like this, guys. Okay, guys. Now that I've shown you how I season my chicken, here I already have a bowl that is seasoned and marinade from yesterday. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and flour my chicken. Okay, guys, now our chicken is nice and brown. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. Okay, guys, now we're gonna work on the sauce for the chicken. Here I have 1 green onion. I'm just gonna go ahead and chop it nicely. Now I'm gonna work on my pepper. I gotta change this one. Much better. Okay, guys, now we're gonna work on our sauce. Here I have a bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and 1/2 cup ketchup, 1 cup Pepsi. I'm just gonna eyeball it, guys. This is 1 cup Pepsi. 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon ginger, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. Here I have my thyme, oregano, chicken seasoning. Now I'm gonna stir, guys. Half of my scallion in, and same with my peppers, half. Sweet chili sauce, 3 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon, guys. Okay, guys, now you're gonna go ahead and pour your sauce in the pot. Then you're gonna let it come to a boil until it's thickened. Guys, here's my sauce. I did add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. It's nice and thick. Tasting so good, guys. Okay, guys, here putting the chicken in the sauce that I just made. Then it's gonna go back in the oven. Guys, now I'm just gonna put my pepper on top of it. Yes. I put my peppers and my scallion on it, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it back in the oven. Okay, guys, here's the end product. Now I'm just gonna top it with some sesame seed. Okay, guys, here's the end product. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. Look at this, guys. It's so delicious. It's colorful. Here I serve my chicken with some mashed potatoes. It's so delicious, guys. You need to try this dish in your kitchen today.